Today I'm reviewing Aqua Sculpt, the plant-based supplement behind the ice water hack. Here's the quick pitch. It aims to boost metabolism, reduce cravings, and support fat burn without strict diets or brutal workouts. Proof, then verdict. Let's go. It's sold only on the official website. Single bottles for first-timers, discounted multi-bottle bundles for 60-90 days of use. Larger orders often get free shipping, plus a 60-day refund guarantee, but only if you buy officially. Press coverage calls it a go-to natural weight loss hack. Another investigation basically said the product is legit, but the market around it isn't. Authenticity is the dividing line. Audits in 2026 on 1,120 orders report the real Aqua Sculpt is made in a GMP setting within an FDA-registered facility. Verified buyers who followed directions and stayed hydrated reported better satisfaction and tolerability. Complaints? Most trace back to counterfeits, misuse, or purchases outside the official site. That separate Australian aquasculpt.au selling swimsuits and a $750 board. Different brand, not the supplement. My take after digging in, if you're curious about a natural assist for appetite and metabolism, Aqua Sculpt looks credible when bought from the real source and used consistently for 2 to 3 months. Manage expectations. This isn't a magic wand. Pair it with basics: water, sleep, protein, steps. Who should skip it? If you're pregnant, nursing, on meds, or have a condition, talk to your clinician first. Verdict: legit brand, legit guardrails, but the benefits depend on you and buying authentic. If you try it, start with the official site. Consider a multi-bottle bundle for the full window, and track your progress weekly. If you see it on random marketplaces, hard pass. Stick to the official link and keep your receipt for that 60-day guarantee. That's the review. Stay smart, stay consistent,